Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today we'll be opening up a hobby box of Star Wars Archive Signature Series. I love this stuff. This is from 2018. I picked these up when I went out of town, and got them from Oliver Sports, and he made me a really good deal on several boxes. So I had numbered them OS, so I know that these are ones from his store. Shout out to Oliver Sports. It's over in Wichita, Kansas. Very cool place. Got all kinds of awesome stuff there. And I'll go ahead and start with box number one. Definitely one of my favorite Star Wars products from recent years is Star Wars Archive Signatures. Hopefully they do another one. Okay, got my little blanking thing here so we can hide the card. Alright, empty box. Alright, let's see what we get. That looks like it could be from Force Awakens. 2 of 6. Wow, that's pretty cool. BB-8 follows Rey home. Dave Chapman auto. Not Daisy Ridley, unfortunately, and that's one of the refractor or the chrome cards, and pretty low number, 2 out of 6. Very cool. Definitely have not gotten any Dave Chapman from Archive Signatures, so that is pretty sweet. Nice BB-8 auto. All right, stay tuned for more videos.